cooking rice. Boil water in a pot. In a boiling water, teaspoon of salt, two cups of rice, bring your heat on a stove from high to medium low, and we will boil our rice for 30 to 40 minutes. Cover with the lid, leave a little bit open for steam to escape. Rice been cooking for half an hour and it's ready now. Now I will drain water from rice, we'll rinse rice and we will place rice in a dish. I rinse rice. Now place rice in a bowl. And you've got rice. We will dish up now. Some rice. And some stew. Let's try. Very nice. Quick and easy. Please try it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put like. Until next time.